Welcome to Windows NT 4 Overview by Andy's Computer Shack. Scene 1. This is the OS loader version 4.01. Here's the boot screen for Windows NT. This is the boot screen. And then we'll get to it's blue. And it looks like the boot screen of death. And it's got some words on the top there. There it says Microsoft Windows NT 4.0 build 1381 Service Pack 6. One system processor, 128 megabytes of RAM. Scene number 2. Here's the welcome screen prompt. You can come into Windows NT, this comes up, or you can have it not come up. Click the little check mark in the corner, left-hand corner there. Now we're going to go to what's happening. And we'll just read this here. You can read that. You can read all these here. How do we start a program? You go to start and call up the programs. And that's how you start your programs. They show it in workstation. This is server. Now we go, what happened to my program manager groups? You go to start, hit the program buttons, and so there they are. And you can read. And we go, what happened to my file manager? Or what happened to file manager? We go to start programs, scroll down. Once you're in programs, scroll down to Windows NT Explorer. What happened to my control panel, or what happened to control panel? Well, you go to start and go to settings and scroll over to control panel, and you're in control panel. And you can also get it on the desktop if you have that icon selected in the settings. Now let's close this out and let's go help content. And there we go. We'll just search, can find, index, anything about Windows NT you need to know about. Let's cancel that out. Go to next tip. To minimize, oh well, you can't read that very well. They just showed all the tips you could get on there. Now let's explore Windows NT a little further. Go to start, programs, Windows NT Explorer. And there we go. We got the hard drives, the program manager, the program files, the temp files, the printers, the control panel, and the Explorer. All the folders, everything. Now let's go look at the icons we have on here. Let's go to recycle bin. Nothing in there. There's Internet Explorer in inbox. Let's go to network neighborhood. Check it out. There's nothing there because it's not hooked up to the network. It's just for a demo. There's go to my computer. It's the same as Windows 95, and Windows 10 has this PC though, but they changed that. But it used to be my computer back then. Now we're just scrolling. Now we're just scrolling into control panel from the my computer icon. There was an icon in my computer. There's the information about the computer and who registered it to, and the processor, and the compatibility of the processor, and the version, which is Windows NT 4.0. Here we go to performance. Here you can change the page file. There's the environment. It shows information about that. And this is the users and profiles. You can change things on the little tabs there. Back to performance. Here is the startup and shutdown. You can go to VGA mode, which is another video, and then you can go to regular mode. Here we are in Windows Add Remove Programs, and there's all the programs in Windows NT setup that we have selected in this installation. And you can click on any group here with multimedia, go to details. Click on any information we have, any installed files we have there, like the CD player. Then we go into communications, and you go to chat, terminal, hyperterminal, and more options there. You go to accessories, calculator, character map, and paint, quick view, word pads all in there. Exit out of that. Let's go to services. This is a unique feature in Windows NT. It's got the services tab right in the control panel. And you can just scroll down, and here are the fonts. And then go to printers in the My Computer, and then we could add printer. You can do a My Computer, or you can do a network printer in this installation of Windows, because it's a server version, which you can find on eBay or Amazon for probably $50 maybe, or less. I'm not sure on that. You can go ahead and check that out. Here's scene number 1, the ending scene. Copyright 2020 Andy's Computer Shack. The end.